Hi guys.
Oh, you gotta say.
It's me. Yeah, and I'm here with Daly Squish, and you can get out your squishy. The Daly Squish. I have all 5 slimes that I definitely recommend buying, and she has all, I think, 5 of her squishies that she recommends buying. So let's get into the video.
Subscribe.
I don't know. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and also subscribe to both of our channels for awesome content like this. Ew. Okay. So this is Chanel number 2 from Unicorn Slime Shop, and it's scented like bubblegum, bubblicious bubblegum, and you guys can't really see it that well, but it's like pink. You can tell it's pink, right? Mm-hmm. It smells like bubblegum. It's actually really thick, and I like it a lot. It smells really good.
Wait, is it rude to ask
Really
how much
good.
it was? Because then they know the price.
I don't think that he sells this in 4 ounces anymore, but this was a 4 ounce. But his 8 ounces, you'll need to check his shop because I don't really remember how much it was. But that was a great notification. But yeah, this is Chanel number 2. I definitely recommend it.
Is it my turn now?
Yeah, it's your turn.
Mm.
Oh, it smells so good. So now you can talk. No, it's fine. Just go ahead. Okay, just.
Okay, so.
Sorry.
Okay, so my first. Oh my god. So my first squishy.
You should mute your notifications. Oh, sorry. What is it?
Oh crap! I forgot to make it. Okay, it can't take forever. Okay.
Okay.
So freaking
Ready? Go.
Okay, so. Oh. Okay, I thought the face was there. So this is my first squishy.
Talk about it.
It's a loaf of bread, and it's from the Squeezables brand.
And you got it from Banggood, right?
No.
No. I need to edit that out.
I get a lot of my squishies from Banggood, but
Yeah.
this one was from TJ Maxx.
It's really good. Oh.
And it used to
Oh, sorry.
it used to smell like bubblegum.
Now
And
it kind of wore down.
Smells
But
like crap.
not me.
And
Wait, it smells
does it?
It smells
mean,
fine. It smells
yeah.
like a normal squishy now. Okay,
And
we're
then-
already 3 minutes in. Sorry. Okay.
Okay, and
We'll
then
probably edit this all
it's
out,
really
but-
squishy and adorable, and I found it at TJ Maxx.
TJ
for
Maxx.
$8.
Yeah, which is not a bad price. So
Yeah, it's a nice squishy.
yeah, let's go. Okay, you. Okay, so this is Slimy Owies. If you can see there. What are you doing, me? So this is OG Thicky Mickey. It scented like Fruit Loops, and honestly, it kind of smells like orange push pops to me.
I haven't even started yet.
Okay, yeah.
Totally forgot.
It's kind of, to me and her, smells like orange push pops, like those
Like
ice
push-ups.
cream thing. Yeah, ice cream. I can't talk.
Push-ups.
Orange push-ups. Yeah. Okay. So this is a very thick and glossy slime. Slime. It comes with sprinkles of Mickey and his ears. It smells really good. It just doesn't smell exactly like cereal to me. Kind of, but
I'll turn down my
it smells really good. And yeah, you like the smell, right?
Mm-hmm.
It smells really good. So yeah, OG Thicky Mickey from Slimy Owie.
Wait,
Now
was
you
it
can
cheap?
go. Oh, and for a 6 ounce, it was $10.75, I think. And there are different flavors. Or not, sorry, cents. You don't eat slime, no. Yeah. And shipping was $5. So it was $15 for this. But whatever. Okay, your turn.
Okay, I can't take forever because I have to start the food.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
gonna go back and get done, and then we'll do my video.
Okay. Oh gosh, she inflated.
Okay. So my next squishy. I can't, man. Okay,
Me.
my next squishy is this like Santa ball thingy.
Santa
Well,
ball.
that's what I call it. It's a Santa ball or like a Santa ornament thingy.
No, Santa's just really thick this summer. Or this winter. Summer.
So it's really squishy, and I got it from Banggood, and it was
Banggood.com.
$4. So,
And it's very. I was gonna say.
it used to smell really
dense?
good.
Sorry,
No, it's really soft.
It's kind of dense a little.
Well, it's because I squished it right. Well, I don't know.
Okay, so that is from Banggood. Wait, what's it called?
Banggood.com.
No, like, what's the thing called?
What do you
Like,
mean?
where can they find it?
Banggood.com.
Like, what would they search up?
Christmas squishies? I don't know. It's Christmas. It's Christmas!
What did you search up to find it?
Well, I just went scrolling down and then I found it and I bought it. So, I mean, like, probably like Christmas squishies. Because it is a Christmas squishy.
Yeah, and if it's not in stock, then you need to wait till Christmas.
Then bull.
Bull.
Wait, no.
Then bull.
No, and then suck it up.
What?
If it's out of stock, then suck it up.
Then bull. My lord. Okay.
I was
Bull.
gonna say bull crap. But that doesn't make sense.
Then bull crap. Wait, okay. Next, I have Mud Mask from Unicorn Slime Shop. Joseph Anthony. It smells really good. Ooh, look at that. It's a very dense-ish slime. It's very like clay-based,
What
and it
the
has
heck?
instant snow. No, it doesn't fit.
Ah!
It's fine. It smells really good. Wait, do you like this scent? Just be honest. Because it's 100%
What's
honest.
it supposed to smell like?
It's supposed to smell like a mud mask, like green tea and lemon. Like this.
It's okay. It's not my favorite.
Oh, okay, tea. Oh,
Wait, why
like
is this one
tea
so
time.
tiny or small?
Because it was a 4 ounce and this is 6 ounce. 6 ounce container.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Your turn.
Okay, so my next squishy is again from Banggood. The rest of these are gonna be from
Ew,
Banggood.
what was that? Again
Banggood.
from Banggood.
It's from
I
Banggood.
just dropped it on the
Is this
floor.
pineapple squishy? And I got mine on sale. It's now like $6 or $8. I can't remember. And I don't know what it's supposed to smell like.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's supposed to. You know what that's?
Oh my god.
Do you know what that's supposed to smell like? I don't
It
know if
doesn't
that's what
smell
pineapples.
that bad.
I know it doesn't smell bad. But
It does not smell like pineapples. It smells kind of chemical-y, but it smells like
I-
a normal squishy except a tad bit chemical.
And
Like,
then I got this on sale for $6, so it must have been $8. But it's really squishy, and it's licensed by Squishy Fun.
yeah, woohoo.
Would been good.
Good bang good. This is Chunky Monkey Brownies from Squishy Bunny. I met him and Karina Garcia. They're awesome.
Lucky. I mean, actually, I don't really like curry. Sorry.
Don't you dare.
Sorry.
Don't even go there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at how thick that is. And the sprinkles and floam beads are so
Wow.
good. And it's so thick. Smell it. Do you like the smell?
Oh,
like,
that smells so good.
it smells so good. It smells like really sweet, like brownies.
Yeah.
Like it smells really sweet and like chocolate. It smells really good.
Oh, we could do like a guess the squishy scent video. I mean, not squishy scent, of like,
Like,
slime scent.
Yes.
One day.
Wait. Yes. This smells so good though. Like genuinely, like not even
Chunky
like
Monkey
camera stuff. Yeah, it's Chunky Monkey
I
Brownies
can't keep myself
from
still.
Squishy Bunny. It smells really good. Like actually. And it's a really nice thick texture and it has really cute sprinkles at the bottom. Let's go into Daly's squishies. Yeehaw.
So, this is my next squishy. This is corgi dog toast or something like I don't know what kind of dog it is. It's a toast. Or a bread.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy.
So, yeah, it's key brew. What was that?
Yum.
What was that? What was that? Oh, I thought. No, the chair like made noise.
Oh, that.
It was this or that.
I don't know.
Okay.
Alright.
So you may have seen this if you're from my channel or at all, but
And you should
you may have. Yeah, you should
go to go to her channel and subscribe. After you
And if you're
subscribe
from
to me.
my channel or something like that, if you are,
Something like that.
then subscribe to his channel. But
Oh, me.
I think this is from Banggood, and it was I think $6.
Yeah.
$6 on their website, but I didn't buy it.
Didn't buy
I
it.
didn't buy it, but
They
I
all
got
need
it
to know
anyway.
that. And it's really slow rising.
Yeah, it's very squishy. There's an air bubble.
Wait, squishy bunny. Imagine if there was a bunny and it was squishy. Okay, never mind. Okay, are you done?
Yes. Buy it.
Bye.
And check out the video.
Yeah, check out her videos.
It's called Banggood Sent Me My Package.
It's not me. Okay, so this is again from Squishy Bunny. Raoul. It is oh, it didn't come with a label. But it's extra peachy. It smells so good. Ooh. Oh, smell that. Do you like the smell? Oh, tea. Wait, dude.
Monkey farts.
Oh, that's the container I put in because the other
oh.
one cracked.
What happened to monkey farts? Huh?
Oh no, this is extra peachy. Okay, whatever. But do you like the smell, honestly? Just spill the tea.
Not really.
Really? It smells like creamy peach. Like, it smells
I
like
smell
lotion to me.
Kind of stuff.
Wait, what do you smell? Like, honestly, just spill all the tea. Like, when you smell it, what do you smell? Like, just, it doesn't need to make sense.
I mean, I smell peach in there, kind of.
Me.
Okay.
It smells to me like a peach, like creamy-ish lotion. Lotion.
Lotion.
Lotion. Okay, so that's it. Make sure to check from all of these shops. Ew, what are you doing?
Was it cheap or is it expensive?
Well, I got these on Black Friday, all the Squishy Bunny ones. Shocker, I'm cheap. But for a 6 ounce, this was $6, which is a really good price. But all 6 ounces were for his Black Friday. So make sure to just check out Squishy Bunny on Black Friday next, or I guess this year, whatever. Let's get on to the squishy. Squishy.
So this is my final squishy. This is just
You're
amazing
really thinking.
overall. It's great. It's by Blampo. It's by Blampo, and it's like a strawberry cake. I don't know if it's a shortcake or not. I don't know what this is called. I don't know. And it smells just like strawberries. What's a shortcake then?
Did you just think that a shortcake was a...
I was thinking of strawberry shortcake.
Like a... What? It had... Okay,
I
whatever.
don't know what a shortcake looks like. Shortcake looks like. Okay, so this one's really squishy and airy. And like,
Okay.
doesn't even rise, but
What? That sounded bad. It just takes a long time, is what she's trying to say.
what is doesn't even rise like?
Well, that means that it stays and just never comes up. What do you mean?
Well,
What
it's
does
a
it mean?
good squishy, but okay. And it smells just like strawberries, and it was on Banggood. Did I mention that? I don't know. It was on Banggood, and I got it for $5. It used to be $10, and I ended up getting 2.
Me.
You can also see in the same video that I mentioned last time. So,
Yeehaw.
Monty, Nathan, Nathaniel.
That's it.
Oh, that's it.
That's it.
It is?
Yeah.
You showed all these?
Mm-hmm. Are you not paying attention?
I am.
Well, it's been 15 minutes.
That's crazy.
That's great. It actually, you don't do that ever again.
Okay.
Okay. So that was the video collab with Daily Squish.
The Daily
The
Squish.
Daily Squish. The Daily Squish. I will make sure to put her channel in the description so you can type it in the barcode thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, because I don't know how to put links on my channel. I am not a good editor yet.
Go get OG Thicky
Thicky
Vicky.
Vicky.
Oh my god. Okay, go get OG Thicky Vicky and all these slimes.
Yeah, and all the squishies. And go to their website and be like, on a shopping spree, because everyone deserves to get squishies and slime, I don't know. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to her channel, and give all her videos a big ol' thumbs up. And that is it for, for the video. Bye!